Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, all of you. Welcome back. Take a what make a sentence website once again. Which what I can take today is responsibility. Upcoming election knocking our door, and we will take responsibility. Every brother and sisters, not only answer police, rap, and army. Every person will take responsibility for our upcoming national election. It will be a great and it will be great responsibility for everyone. If we take responsibility, everyone, our everything will be easy and comfortably, and everybody will be happy for that reason. And I'm not teaching, I'm learning, and I'm sharing with others and everyone. If we take responsibility, everyone, it will be very great job for us. And if only department take responsibility, it's not good. It's my opinion. I'm not a motivational speaker, but I'm trying to speak, and it's my opportunity because I'm learning English. It's a very good job for me. That's why who are they watching my videos and inspiring me every single day. I'm really appreciated all of you. And we will go pool center and we will give pool with enjoy. And not only that, we will get a good result. Everybody support another person its personally activities, and we will finally get a good result. And we have to wait for at that time, and we will be happy if we finish the work nicely. And we have to finish nicely, and we took responsibility, everyone, not only a department, and everybody we took responsibility. That's why our national election will be great, and it will be a historical election. National election, we have to remember this what, and we have to follow this time. It's a good time. And as you know, I'm took a responsibility. That's why I will be busy upcoming 2 days. I will be busy upcoming 2 days. Dear brother, please wait for me. One of colleague, his name is MD Nazrul Islam. Already he completed. He wear dress, and at this time we are going to pool center. And
Yes.
today we are so busy. That's why I have to finish here. And my uncle, he is a good Englishman, and not only that, he know how to make tea and how to serve the nation. That's why we always respect our uncle. And I have to finish here. If Almighty want, see you soon next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Please pray for each others. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.